What's up guys, you're watching The Street Show, and if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is E-82000050. The address on file may be invalid or unexpected server error. So simply, sometime you're having invalid, or sometime your network is not working. And I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we go to the screen. Here we go to the screen and the settings here, and simply just go to the settings here, account management, account, then you just go to the back login setting. You must check the login settings and your PSN account is logged in or not. View PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down, Sony are not going to Sony are going to update, working on the updates under maintenance, and server is not working. That's why. If the server is working up and good, then you have a local internet problem, or you check your address or something, and you must use a wired LAN cable, and you can just set the manually DNS, primary DNS, secondary DNS, which one is working good in your country. Just put it back here and set up a new connection and then try it. And you must check your address also. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.